Bed. She sleeps in the bed. She sleeps in the bed. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. The girl hangs her clothes in the wardrobe. The girl hangs her clothes in the wardrobe. Nightstand. Nightstand. He puts his phone on the nightstand before bed. He puts his phone on the nightstand before bed. Mirror. Mirror. She looks at herself in the mirror. She looks at herself in the mirror. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. The alarm clock wakes him up every morning. The alarm clock wakes him up every morning. Blanket. Blanket. The baby slept peacefully under a cozy blanket. The baby slept peacefully under a cozy blanket. Pillow. Pillow. He rests his head on the pillow. He rests his head on the pillow. Clothes hanger. Clothes hanger. He hangs his shirt on the clothes hanger. He hangs his shirt on the clothes hanger. Curtains. Curtains. He closes the curtains before going to bed. He closes the curtains before going to bed. Dresser. Dresser. She keeps her socks in the dresser. She keeps her socks in the dresser. Closet. Closet. He hung his clothes neatly in the closet before going to bed. He hung his clothes neatly in the closet before going to bed. Thank you for watching.